I done tussle with a whale. I done handcuff lightning, throw thunder in jail. That's bad.
Assalamu alaikum viz, it's your brother MUJ from Sunnah Strength. Right guys, today's topic is benefits of a dumbbell. Now the reason why I'm talking to you about dumbbells is because I'm a massive fan of dumbbells. Majority of my workouts is always, dumbbells. I do use barbells and machines, but most of the time I'm using dumbbells. I've used them since I've actually started, trading, working out and so on. So I've always used dumbbells. Now, barbells are good. I like them too. I use them. Yeah, I use dumbbells and barbells majority of the time. But mainly I use dumbbells. There is no problem with using machines as well, guys. Yeah, machines are alright, but in some cases they're not okay. Now, in this video I want to talk to you about the benefits of dumbbells. If, depending on how well this video goes, if you like it, share it, and obviously you comment below, then I'll talk about the benefits of barbells and machines in later videos. But for now, I'll talk about the benefits of dumbbells. So number one, guys, the first point, the benefit of dumbbells is that it's got natural movement, right? So, it's joint friendly. So, normally some machines or barbells, you just have to kind of push forward and, take it back, or lift, you lift it up and then you have to take it down. There's no, you can't move. It's just in a fixed, stable place. And sometimes the exercises are not like a natural movement. You wouldn't really do that movement in your everyday life. Whereas with the dumbbells, if you're using it, it's more of a natural movement. You get an increase of range in motion where, you could go really low, really deep, or, you could go really high whenever you like, for example, if you're doing dumbbell presses and so on. So there's a difference in dumbbells and barbells and machines when it comes to, natural movements. Second point, guys, strength imbalance. Now, if, for example, one arm, is stronger than the other, or for example one chest is more stronger than the other chest side, then with a dumbbell you could always bring it to, it may not be the the exact size, it may not be the same, you could always bring it to the same kind of strength, right? Whereas with a barbell, sometimes when you're doing it with a barbell or machine, you kind of tend to, sometimes when you're pushing out, so for example, you're doing chest, right? You're doing a bench press, most of your power comes from your right, or most of your power could come from your left. It wouldn't always be equal on your right or your left, right? But whereas with the dumbbells, you could always tell, if you're with a one, dumbbell on your right and one on your left, then you could always see that, which one is the weakest arm, or which one is the one that's actually pushing it, because you have to push both of them together. So that way, it tracks all the muscle fiber. Third point, guys, some exercises are safer to use dumbbells. For example, if you're doing lunges, sometimes you tend to put barbell on your traps, on your back, and behind your head, and you're doing the lunges. Your muscle might become fatigued and you might get tired. You might, can't do that extra rep. What happens, you could injure yourself, yeah, because you have to take it back out from your back and put it down. Whereas with dumbbells, if you're using it, you could just have it in both hands, do your lunges, you fatigue, getting weak, drop the weights, right? It also, you could, once you drop the weights, you could still carry on just with your body weight. Whereas with if it was on your back, say a barbell, then you kind of have to take it off, put it away, get back into position. It's kind of like a hassle. Fourth point, guys, various exercises. With dumbbells, you could do so many different exercises. Yes, you can do it with other, equipments and so on, but with dumbbells, there are different things and, different exercises you could do which barbells may not be able to do. Fifth point, guys, for the newbies. If you're someone that's new to the gym, right, sometimes, you might be afraid to actually start lifting a barbell, start doing a barbell exercises, yeah? So, you don't want to go in that area, because, some gyms, they have a certain area where all dumbbells and barbells and so on, and you might be afraid to go there because you think people are going to laugh at you because you can't lift the barbell, or people are going to just laugh at you because you're doing it all wrong. So you could ease your way through to that stage by using dumbbells, because you get the lowest dumbbells, 2.5 and 5 kg and so on, and you could always just ease your way through to it and work your way up. Like I said in my previous videos, start off with machines, see how it goes, and then dumbbells and barbells and so on. But you could always go jump onto dumbbells straight away instead of using machines, and ease your way into barbells, and then eventually one day you'd be ready to lift stronger, heavier plates on the barbell. Sixth point, guys, is Some people like to do drop sets, supersets. It is really easy to do them. Use dumbbells in these kind of sets because you could always line up the weight. So if you're doing supersets, maybe or even drop sets, you have 8 kg, 6 kg, or even up 8 kg, 10 kg, 12 kg, whatever it is. It's more easier. Whereas with barbells, you know, you have to put it on, take off the plate, put another plate on, take off that plate, put another, machines, move the key, and so on. It is easy, but you know, with the dumbbells, it's, you know, you can line it up, lift, put it down, pick up the other one, lift, put it down, and so on. And final point, guys, the 7th point is, if you're working out at home, you know, dumbbells don't really take much space. You could have a small area in your house where you want to work out with them. Whereas, you know, barbells and machines, they take up a lot of space, and it's also, dumbbells are a lot more cheaper than barbells and machines. So guys, there you have it, right? The benefits of dumbbells. Like I said earlier, if depending on how this video goes, if you don't like it, comment below, let me know if you want me to do benefits of barbells and machines, and I will do that inshallah in the next videos. Like I said again, guys, there is no problem using barbells, there is no problem using machines, there is no problem using dumbbells. Some people prefer barbells over dumbbells, some prefer machines over dumbbells. So, you know, it's up to you which one you really like and which one you're really into. So try it out, guys. Try all three. See which one you prefer. See the ones that actually make the change and help you reach your goal. And, you know, from there, or even use all three of them, right? If you don't want to use just the one, use all three, yeah, and test it out. If you want, use just the one, and so on, guys. So there you have it, guys. Inshallah, see you next time. And of course, subscribe on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Share the video, like the video, thumbs up, guys. Give it a thumbs up, and, you know, comment below. And until next time, guys, take care. Assalamu alaikum.